What you doing?
She is a happy girl.
What you doing? Hey. What you doing?
Well, so much for how she's silly. Say, what's more exciting than the 49er game? Oh my gosh. Well, that's pretty exciting right there. Oh my. But this is more exciting. That's right. No oxygen. No oxygen since Wednesday. Wednesday. We saw the touchdown.
He ran it in.
Okay, it was 96. We'll take a 93. No oxygen since Wednesday. Yay! I know it. It's so exciting, huh? What? Where's your oxygen? It's gone. Huh? It's all gone. What happened to your hair, Missy? You're just a wreck. Oh, that looks even worse. Okay, got anything else to say? Kisses? You throwing kisses? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Happy girl. Bye-bye.